Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This is Harshita pursuing my degree in ACC Bangalore, 4th semester CSC department. Today in this video we are going to see about history of operating system. Content we are going to see in this video are introduction, early operating systems, Unix, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, mobile operating system, future of operating system, security and privacy, and then at last conclusion. Moving on to first introduction. Operating systems are unsung heroes of modern technology, quality powering everything from our smartphones to our laptops and servers. But have you ever stopped to think about their history and evolution? In this presentation, we will take a journey through time, exploring the earliest operating system and tracing the development to the present days. We will examine the impact of key players like Unix, Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and discussing emerging technologies that may shape the future of the industry. Early operating systems. The early operating systems were designed for mainframe computers and were primarily used to batch processing. One such system was the GM-NAA input output, which has developed by General Motors and North American Aviation in late 1950s. These systems allowed multiple users to access a single computer, which was major breakthrough at a time. Another early operating system was the batch processing system, which was developed by IBM in early 1960s. This system allowed users to submit jobs to the computer, which would then be processed batch. These early operating systems were limited in their functionality and were designed to perform specific tasks. They lacked many of the features that we take granted today, such as multitasking and graphical user interface. However, they laid the foundation for development for more advanced operating system, and their influence can seen in modern computer. Moving on to Unix. Unix is powerful operating system that has had a significant impact on modern computing. Developed in the late 1960s, Unix was designed to be portable and flexible, making it ideal for use in variety of different applications. One of the key features of Unix is command line interface, which allows user to interact with the system using text commands. This interface has been widely adopted by other operating systems, including Linux and Mac OS. Mac OS system, including Linux and Mac OS. Unix has also introduced the contents permission, which allows administration to control access to the file. Moving on to Windows. Windows was first introduced in 1985 and quickly became the dominant operating system for personal computer. Its user-friendly interface and compatibility with wide range of software made it popular choice among consumers and business alike. Over the years, Windows has continued to evolve and improve with the new version introducing features like improved security, better performance, and enhanced multiple capability. Today, Windows remains the most widely used operating system for desktop, laptop, and computers. Moving on to Mac OS. Mac OS has a rich history dating back to the first release in 1984. The operating system was designed with a strong focus on user experience, incorporating a graphical user interface and intuitive navigation. One of the most notable features is of early version is macOS was inclusion of the Apple menu, which provided quick access to common usually application and system settings. Over the year, Mac OS has continued to evolve with each new release. Major updates have introduced new features such as Spotlight Search, Time Machine backups, and Launchpad application launcher. With the release of Mac OS Big Sur in 2020, Mac OS underwent on its significant resilience, yet with a refreshed user improved performance. Moving on to Linux. Linux is free and open source operating system that was first developed operating system that in early 1990s by Linus Torvalds. Its development was driven by the desire to create alternative to priority operating systems such as Microsoft Windows and Mac OS. One of the key features of Linux is its open source philosophy, which means that the source code for the operating system is freely available for anyone to use, modify, and distribute. This has led to the development of wide variety of Linux distribution and with its own unique set of features and etc. Mobile operating system. Mobile operating system have become a circular part of our daily life. With the rise of smartphones and tablets, we are more connected to ever before. Two of the most popular mobile operating systems are Android and iOS. Android is an open source platform developed by Google. It allows for greater customization and flexibility, but this also means that it can be more to security threats. iOS, on the other hand, is closest system developed by Apple. It offers greater security and privacy, but it is less customizable and than Android. Moving on to future of operating system. Futures as operating system are, as we look to the future of operating system, it's clear that emerging technology like artificial intelligence and Internet of things will play a major role in shaping their evolution. AI has a potential to revolution how how we interact with our devices, enabling more natural language processing and personalized experience. The IoT will bring even more device online, creating new options for automation and data collection. However, these advertisements also raise concerns about privacy and security with more devices connected with the than ever the before the cyber attacks and data breaches increases as operating system continue to important to balance benefits and their need with the need of robust security measures. Security and privacy, security and privacy. Security and privacy are two of the most critical concerns in modern operating system as our lives become increasingly digital. From financial transaction to personal communication, we rely on our devices to keep our information safe from prying eyes. Unfortunately, there have been numerous high profile security breaches that in recent years, such as Equifax data breach in 2017, which has compromised the personal information of over 140 million people. These incidents serve as a reminder of most importance of strongly security measures and need for constant vigilance in protecting our data. Moving on to our last conclusion. In conclusion, we have explored the rich history and evolution of operating system from earliest batch processing system to the modern mobile operating system of today. We have seen how Unix revolutionized and industry with the open source philosophy and how Windows became the dominant operating system for personal computers. We have also discussed the unique design philosophy of Mac OS and diversity of Linux distribution. As we look to the future, we can expect operating system to continue to evolve and adapt to new technologies such as artificial intelligence and the concerns in order to protect our data information. I hope this presentation has inspired you to learn more fascinating world to operating system and their impact. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys got a better understanding by watching this video. Please do like my video and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a good day.